Hi everyone. Today I will explain about experiment one, write a test for a Python function. This experiment is all about the basic operations like factorial, palindrome, check, prime, check sorting, and Fibonacci sequences. And it also includes its unit testing to verify correctness. So firstly, we are importing the library. So the unit test module, this module is used to test our functions automatically. And secondly, we are going for the factorial. We are creating a factorial function. So this function calculates the factorial of a number. If the number is negative, it returns invalid. If the number is zero, it returns one. Otherwise, it multiplies numbers from 1 to n and returns the result. So next we are checking for a palindrome function. So this function checks whether a string is a palindrome or not. If palindrome means the word reads the same forward and backward. It compares the string with its reverse using slicing. So next about prime number function. So this prime number function checks if a number is prime or not. If the number is less than or equal to 1, it returns false. It checks divisibility from 2 to the square, the root of the number. If the divisible, it returns false, otherwise true. Then sort function. The function sort is a list. It uses a Python built-in sorted of function. So it will return the list in an ascending order. Then about the Fibonacci function. So this function will generate the Fibonacci numbers. If the input is negative, it returns invalid. If zero, it returns an empty list. If it is one, it returns zero. Otherwise, it will builds the sequence by adding previous two numbers. Now, the main part is we are going to test the unit testing by the unit test. So now we'll test all the functions using the unit test. So each class tests one function. Test factorial function, test palindrome, test prime, test sort, test Fibonacci. So each test checks different conditions like positive values, zeros, negative values, edge cases. This ensures the functions work correctly in all executions. So finally, these lines run all test cases. So here ran 22 tests in this many seconds. So this was the first experiment. Thank you.